Made it. Time for sunset. We're leaving in the morning. It is windy and very cold already. Got a long way to go.
Night one at camp, and it is a windy one. We're not even setting up our tents. We're just sleeping on the couches back here in this lovely volunteer-built center accommodation that is. There's only two of us, Marwan and myself, that are leaving tomorrow.
All right, we're Julian and Olive with the Pacific Crest Trail Association. We're here to go over a couple leave no trace things for this upcoming thru hike. So first things first, it's an extra dry year this year. So we're asking that people have their California fire permit, that if they do start a fire, it's in a designated camp spot, a designated middle ring. And also we're just advising people to be extra careful of their water carries. It's extra dry, so a lot of the reliable streams in the past aren't going to be as reliable this year. And we're asking people to not be too reliant on water caches, because they're one day, might not be there the next. So make sure you're cameling up, you're carrying extra, or trying to avoid any heat exhaustion carry-outs. And then this area behind us is a national defense zone, so it is currently under control of the U.S. military. So we're just letting people know what's going on over there. And all
Yep, so when you're going back to the backcountry, let's make sure that you're digging your waist 6 to 8 inches deep, 200 feet away from water, campsites, and trail, and packing out that teepee. We have some black, discreet trash bags that we can give y'all to carry out that teepee, and otherwise,
Yeah, thank you, ladies. That's awesome.
we are.
Woo.
official PCT hiker.
Yeah! We got a long way to go. Just a little over a mile in. Met my trail buddy Marwan right here. And we are partnering it up down here in the desert. So it begins. Oh, I love that wind today though. Here's the trail right now. Here's me right now. I feel like a little bishop with my white hood and my white long sleeves. But this was the best decision I ever made to buy this thing.
The next morning.
Well, we're supposed to. Surprise.
Well, you know, we were just tired when we got in, so we said the hell with the thing.
That's Lake Morena, 19.5 miles from the start. We're gonna chill there today. We're about a mile and a half out. There's Marwan and Rowan, and we just ate at the Lake Morena little food spot over here. It was really, really good. About 15 bucks a plate, I would say, on average. And now we're walking back to camp. We got quarters. It's $1.50 for showers here at Lake Morena. And make sure you get your quarters at the store up top. We're gonna rest the rest of the day. I got these fat blisters I gotta heal up already, just from having some funky socks on day one. Biggest mess up of the trail so far is I brought 2 left socks because they're toe socks. It's kind of hard to use them on the opposite foot, so I had to use my sleeping socks to hike instead of my hiking socks. which are also merino wool, but just not as good quality. And I definitely paid for it already. So I'm gonna get that new pair of socks mailed to the next spot. Continue after a little rest, but we're at mile 20 on day 1.5 right now. Bed, about to go nap, rest these blisters, maybe go back for a milkshake, get a hot shower. It's day 3. We got the crew, the family, trail family here. Marwan, Gwen, Georgia, and myself. We're trying to do 6 miles today to the next campground. Should be a nice, easy day. And we'll see what happens. It's been cool so far. I feel really good, actually. I'm really glad to have met a good trail family. And then also hit up Dr. Morgan, who is a PCT physical therapist, doctor. I wish I knew more of her title, I apologize. But I Instagrammed her and she sent me some good information. Looks like we got a good water source here. Filtered water. But I think we're gonna just go camp the 6 miles. Overpass. We also have our first water crossing. And I don't feel like getting shoes wet from blisters already. So we're gonna walk down the shore a little bit until we find a good spot to cross. It's dry. Oh, there we go, some rock. There's 2 of the trail fam right there, Marwan and Georgia. Our dear friend Gwen had to hitch a ride to Mount Laguna because her knees were screaming. Good. Caught up to these guys. They camped with us last night next to us, and just great dudes from Ohio and Virginia. Right? Okay, perfect. Great memory. And yeah, so we're hiking with them now up to Mount Laguna. So we were at mile 41.5 today. We did about 10-11 miles, and we're staying at this little mini house community / hostel in Mount Laguna. Pretty cool spot. I'm in my sleeping shorts right now because I get to do laundry today. They have a laundry place over here. Morale is high, blisters are not. So we stayed at Mount Laguna last night, trail family, and I was gonna take a 0 today, but they motivated me to get out of bed and hang. Gotta have that on here. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up Georgia on the way, and then we're gonna hike on the road for a while, as long as we can. There's campgrounds on the way too, so we decide to stop, we can, and then get back on the trail when we feel it's right. Mr. Creepy Guy's still out there. So we all get to stay here at the American Legion. They let us stay on the bunks back here, or the cots back here, for $10 a night. There's gonna be about 10 of us here, and we're all chilling, just enjoying the culture.